Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer your Target gift card to Cash App. And it's actually really easy and simple, guys. So first, make sure you actually have a balance on your Target gift card. So you can log into your account, go to gift card, find your card, check the remaining balance. And then what you do, guys, is go to Target.com, or you can visit a Target store, and you need to purchase a Visa or MasterCard prepaid gift card. I'm going to show you exactly why we're doing this. You just use this with your Target gift card. Buy this prepaid gift card, either Visa or MasterCard, and make sure to choose a reloadable prepaid card if available, okay? Then what you do, you open up Cash App and tap on linked accounts and then select add credit or debit card. Then you enter the details of your prepaid Visa or MasterCard. Okay, because these Visa or MasterCard, these prepaid ones, they work like a debit card. So you just use that, and once linked, guys, you can tap on add cash and transfer the funds. Okay, really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next